everybody, this is Dot's Locks. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a challenge lock picking video. Today we have Le Cop, which is number 75 by Tinnie. So let's see if I can try and get this one picked today. So there we go. Is it working? Let's see how we get on this morning. Excuse me, it's got an itch in my nose. And there we go. We got it open. So, Le Cop by Tinnie has been opened. Now, I would love to gut these because I would love to see what's inside. However, I do not have a follower big enough for, or small enough, sorry, for these kick cylinders. I did try it before with another lock and it failed miserably, so there was no way that I'm going to risk ruining one of Tinnie's locks, which is unfortunate, but I'm just glad to have the opportunity to pick it and to get it picked. So thank you very much, Tinnie. That's another one down, so that's 2 out of the 3 that you sent me down so far, so happy with that. Hope everyone enjoyed that one. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.